Ever pondered the significance of data governance in our increasingly digital world? It's a topic that's often overlooked, yet it's fundamental to the smooth operation of any business in the 21st century. Data governance is, at its core, a set of principles and practices that ensure the effective and efficient use of data in an organization. It helps to maintain data quality, protect data privacy, comply with regulations, and ultimately, make strategic business decisions. To grasp the principles of data governance, it's necessary to break them down into digestible steps. First and foremost, understand what data governance is. It's not just about controlling data, but managing it. It's about creating a system where data is accurate, consistent, and accessible. Secondly, recognize the importance of data quality. In the realm of data governance, quality is king. Incorrect or outdated data can lead to misguided decisions, so it's vital to ensure the data is accurate, complete, and up-to-date. Thirdly, appreciate the role of data privacy and security. In an era where data breaches are a regular headline, data governance plays a critical role in protecting sensitive information. It involves setting up protocols to prevent unauthorized access and ensuring compliance with data protection laws. The fourth step is understanding the concept of data stewardship. It's about assigning responsibility for data quality and security to a specific person or team within the organization. This steward would oversee the data's life cycle, from collection to disposal, ensuring it's managed in line with the organization's data governance policy. Lastly, comprehend the value of data accessibility. Data should be easily accessible to those who need it for decision-making, but also protected from unauthorized access. Balancing these two needs is a crucial aspect of data governance. In summary, the principles of data governance revolve around understanding its purpose, recognizing the importance of data quality, appreciating the role of privacy and security, understanding data stewardship, and valuing data accessibility. These principles are not just theoretical concepts, but practical tools that can guide an organization in managing its data effectively. They help to create a culture where data is seen not just as a resource, but as a strategic asset that can drive business success. Remember, in a world where data is the new oil, understanding and implementing data governance principles isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have.